If you've ever tried making AI videos, you know how hard it is to find a good tool that lets you generate high-quality videos without you paying for every few generations. What if I told you that you can generate AI videos completely for free without spending a single credit? Yes, you heard that right. With Grok AI, you can generate full videos, visuals and sounds all automatically. Let's get into it. So this is the normal interface that we all are familiar with, where you can turn your text into image and other stuff. But right here, we're going to be focusing more on the Imagine section because that's what we're using for this work. Once we get to the image section, you see a gallery of creations from other users. That's to show you the quality that this tool can provide. Before we dive into the main topic of the day, I'm going to show you a little thing you can do. So if you click on any generation that you like, you can just go over here and change the modification of the video. Like if I click on spicy, it will change the modification of the video. You see, and it comes with sound, quality sound. And if none of these modifications convinces you, you can simply write a prompt so the video can be remade in the way that you want. For example, I'm going to write a prompt of him turning his helmet into a cap or a hat. Just watch it work like magic. You can come here and select from different generations depending on the modifications that you like. Choice is yours. But if you don't like the video, but you just like the image used in making the video, easy. All you just have to do is to click on the image section here, and it will take you to the image that generated the video. But the amazing thing about this is that the same prompts used in generating that image also created similar, unending images and videos, which you can use to make different video modifications that you want. Isn't that crazy? If you keep scrolling, it keeps generating more and more and more. Once you see the one that you like, you can just click on it. Then you can type in different prompts and make it do what you want it to do. Or you just use the preset, or you could be like me and try spicy. Let's try writing a prompt, like make his helmet be on fire and making him smile. Now watch. If you like the generation, you can simply come here and download it. And if you want to continue later and don't want to lose your progress, I got you. Just click on collections and you would see all your previous generations. But now let's get to the interesting part for today, making your own videos. And I'll also give you a trick to make your characters talk with lip sync.
Let's get this party started.
In the Imagine section, you see a bar where you can type your prompt. If you click here, it will show you some different settings, like you can change the aspect ratio of the video. You can use 9:16 for TikToks and Shorts, or 16:9 for horizontal videos. Let's write a prompt. A winter soldier who survived after a great war. As you can see, it generated multiple videos for you. All you have to do is to pick the one that matches your taste. As you can see, it also came with a very good sound. But what if you want the character to talk? I got you. We need to add something to the prompt. We are going to tell it to make sure the character has lip sync and say the following: "Uyu, oh how sad it is to be far from home." Now watch the result.
Oh, how sad it is to be far from home.
This tool has a lot of amazing features, but today's video was just about generating videos for free. Thanks for watching.